Jerry back with that Theatrically Jerry, and this is my final thoughts on BigDipper's LM30A. This is their mini spider light. I have two fixtures here. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my in-depth review on these guys. My final thoughts video just goes over what I liked about the fixture and what I didn't like about it. First of all, the price point of this, I love it. So you have to keep that in mind. This is not a professional light fixture. This is an extremely lightweight, portable, and affordable light fixture for mobile DJs or anyone that's looking to throw some color on their stage on a budget. So also keep that in mind. But what I like about these is the price point. They're super quiet motors. They're running right now. You can't hear them. The sound sensitivity on these mics are phenomenal. You get to adjust the sound sensitivity of them as well. I also like that you can invert the pan and tilt on this to give this an even more dynamic effect. A couple of things I didn't care for on this light fixture is the fact that you don't get a PowerCon power connector. You're getting an IEC power cable and port. It also doesn't have a built-in fuse. I like to see safety features. There was not a built-in fuse on this fixture. I do like that you can daisy chain your data, but you can't daisy chain your power, so you have to keep that in mind as well. A couple of other things that I do like about this fixture is that even though these are only 3-watt LEDs, they are rather bright. So I would recommend these for a small to medium-sized room, so maybe 15 feet to 20 feet of room. And of course, I'm also going to recommend that you get way more than just one of these. If you're wanting to fill the room, I would say a minimum of 4 of these will do that for you. I also like that the LEDs are pure as in terms of color. They don't have a really weird color to them, especially the red and the blue. The white does have a little bit of an orange fringe around it, but the white is a much cooler white. It's nearing towards maybe 7,000 K, so keep that in mind as well. It's not a warm white light. I also like that they chose to incorporate a Fresnel style lens for these. That really gives them that extra punch for their beam shape, because it's actually collecting light and directing it out of the fixture in a much tighter pattern using the Fresnel shaped lenses on these. So I was glad to see that as well. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below if you want to purchase one of these. This particular one is BigDipper's Mini Spider. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I do try to respond to them as quickly as I can. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel at Theatrically Jerry. I did actually just get into the YouTube Partner Program, so thank you guys that have followed me for supporting me. I am now a YouTube partner. I hope to grow this channel even more. I'm reviewing everything from these budget-friendly PARs that are for newbies, beginners, all the way up to professional stage fixtures that I personally use for my theaters. I am also doing tutorials and reviews on atmospherics and equipment. So if any of that stuff interests you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel at Theatrically Jerry. And thank you guys for watching.